This is wild. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be showing you how I bleach dyed 2 dark t-shirts. One is what I'm wearing right now. I actually copied this. I saw this picture on Instagram. It was off one of those sketchy ads, so I just decided to make it myself. And I think it turned out pretty good, if I don't say so myself. Anyways, let's get into the video. This is what we have, this is what we're working with. You want to take bleach, not concentrate bleach, but actual bleach. I put half water and half bleach in this container spray bottle. I also have this dropper, so I'm gonna drop little spots on each shirt. You definitely want to do this outside. I put a garbage bag down to protect the pavement because I don't really know what's gonna happen. And then same for this shirt. The shirt that I want this to look like is like this. So we're gonna try to copy that as much as we can. Sorry for the birds chirping. There are like bees mating or something, I swear. I want to spray the arms probably around here. So I'm probably gonna crop it. So I'm just doing this messy because I'm definitely gonna go back in and cut it shorter. So that's done. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to soak the full arm, full sleeve, and whatchamacallit. Ooh, that's scary. Ooh, I got some on the pavement. Oh my god, it's happening right away. Okay, the tag's still on. So this looks better. Now I'm gonna go in with the dropper bottle and kind of drop wherever. That's it. So for this, I'm just going rogue. Let me go back to the dropper. Ooh. Oops. Okay. Progress on this guy. This guy's kind of like orange, and this is kind of like pink. So all I did was turn it over, and I also got a glove. But I'm kind of liking how this looks. I may like put more on the sides to kind of make it even on the front. Here's the back of this guy, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the other one. Just kind of go crazy. I have my finger covering the bottle, and I'm just like dumping splashes. The shirts are looking the same. Gotta tell ya. This one looks good. I think I'm gonna wash this off soon. I don't know if it's gonna become a color any lighter than this. Maybe I should probably use more bleach. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think I like how this looks. I'll show you the front. Front looks cool. So I'm gonna probably rinse this off soon. I'll wait just a little while longer to see if it gets any lighter. So now this is looking a lot more pink than I had hoped. Oh, now it's getting light. Okay, so I guess it's just the amount of time. Now this is looking like the picture, so I am a fan of that. I wish that these drops were bigger, but it's okay. We'll just wait a little bit more. I'll check back in later. It has been probably 10 minutes and I think this one's done. So I'm going to take this inside and rinse it in cold water and then throw it in the dryer. This one is gonna be a while, but looks cool. Probably gonna crop it to like here. So now I'm just gonna take cold water, rinse this out until I can't see any more dye come off the shirt. Okay, so that looks about done. Now I'm gonna pop this in the dryer. Okay, so the dryer is ready. Let's see what this looks like. Wow. So this is what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty well. Really digging it. I actually tied it in the back. I decided not to crop this because I'm cropping the other one and I wanted to have like a little bit of flexibility to choose how I wanted to wear this shirt. So I may crop it in the future, but not just yet. I think it looks cute as is. So now I'm going to wash out the other shirt. I do still think it's still pink, but I don't think it's going to turn anymore. It's been probably like 2 hours. And here's how the Yeti t-shirt turned out. Here's the back. I kind of like it. I also like how I cropped it and the front is shorter than the sides. I didn't mean to do that, but it just kind of happened. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try this out, you can't go wrong. There's really no way to screw up bleach dye. Like, I thought I screwed up maybe 5 times and it turned out fine. So, like I said before, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below, like this video, and I'll be back with more videos.